5 reasons why I switched to the keto diet and you should too. Have you been thinking about going keto? If you're new to the ketogenic diet, then you may not be aware of all the benefits it can offer your body and your mind. The keto diet is a low-carb diet that's become extremely popular in recent years. It's achieved notoriety for its ability to help people lose weight and lower their blood sugar levels. But that's not all the keto diet offers. It also has other benefits, including improved brain function and reduced levels of depression. So, is the keto diet right for you? Read on to find out more about why the keto diet appeals to so many people and whether or not it's the right choice for you. One of the main reasons people switch to the keto diet is for weight loss. One study found that those who follow a ketogenic diet lost 3 times as much weight as those on a low-fat diet. That's because fat contains more calories per gram than carbs and protein, so when you eat less carbs and more fat, your body starts breaking down stored fat for energy. As a result, you lose weight. You'll have better brain function. So many people are scared of carbs because they've been told for years that eating too many of them will make them unhealthy. But the keto diet is different from most carb-restricted diets. The keto diet actually encourages you to eat plenty of healthy carbs, like vegetables and certain fruits. In fact, on a keto diet you'll be getting about 60% of your calories from carbs. But the difference is that these carbs come from nutrient-rich, healthy sources like vegetables, nuts and avocado. This is where the keto diet really begins to shine. It's not just a low-carb diet, it's an optimized carb diet. You'll have less depression. While there isn't any one specific reason why the keto diet can help lower depression rates, it does offer many benefits that change brain function and mood. For example, ketones have been proven to have an antidepressant effect and may help your brain use serotonin more effectively. You'll improve your diabetes symptoms. Many people go keto to help improve their diabetes symptoms. The ketogenic diet is often recommended as a treatment for type 2 diabetes because it helps lower blood sugar levels and regulates insulin. In fact, research has shown that it can improve the lives of diabetics. If you're looking for a new approach to dieting, the keto diet might be the perfect fit for you. Most people lose weight and feel better on a keto diet, but it's important to note that not everyone has the same results. To find out if keto is right for you, click link in description.